certified member of Wedding Supplier Association of the Philippines Incorporated, 2022 awardee as one of the top 10 event hosts and most DJ Dwayne Matty Bailon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your master of ceremonies.
Here's a pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Family friends, and welcome to Royal Garden here at Tindahan sa Buanga del Norte. Welcome to this wonderful celebration of love and commitment, sealed with the words I do. And so it is on this day, ladies and joys, yet know that we are here just to serve, but also to participate in this celebration. Now, friends and family, pwede ba morning pwede sa malakas ang palakpakan sa maghiyawa naman siya! And once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is DJ Matty Bailon, your scene host of Zamboanga Peninsula. It's a wonderful celebration, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to acknowledge all the special guests of Newlywed couple. We have the very proud parents of our newlyweds. Palapakan naman natin dyan. We have Mr. and Mrs. Danilo and Annalisa Narsolis. Palapakan natin. Ay, patay-patay naman naman. There we are. Thank you so much. Of course, we have the very supportive parents of our bride, Mr. Elidito Gapucas and Mrs. Carmelita Abapo. Thank you so much, Sir Val. And we'd like to acknowledge on behalf of our newlyweds, our principal sponsors, the very supportive Mr. Alan Cabo Verde and Mrs. Annalisa Cabo Verde. We also have Mr. Todoro Jr. Abapo with Mrs. Justina Orosina, our team bride. Let's go, girl. Come on. Let's get the awesome one team bride. Come on. Wow. Let's go. There we are. Let's go. Team Bride, of course, they have surprise number for all of us here this afternoon. Let's all give it up one more time to Team Bride Music DJ. Thank you so much. The girls, ladies, there, right there. And we will now welcome the handsome members of our groomsmen together with our best man. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Leonie San, Wilmar, Kip, Errol, Ayan, Mark Jovan, Nell, and that's my Mr. Ricardo Molina III. OMG! Let's go! Come on, boys! Let's go! Here we go. It's your time, boys, to showcase your talent. Mga lahat gabi with us, and now we have here the Masculanos of Sinangan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it over to your group. Let's go, music DJ. Come on. Ang forward, wait lang. Anong nangyari sa inyo? Anong nangyari sa inyo? Parang may na-overdose yata dito. Okay, boys, please step forward konti. Ayan, kayo magumba atong decoration. Ang kulit ninyo. Okay. Siyempre, ang best man yung bagyo. Okay. Alam mo ba na part ng role mo, sir, is to lead the team. Okay, music leader. There we go. Ready and 1, 2, 3. Alright. Hindi mo expect yun na napaka-impromptu lahat ng gagawin ng mga Operation and Party. Here they are, into the first time as husband and wife. Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, pakitaas po lahat ng mga table napkins po na nasa lamesa natin. Let's all wave our table napkins. Everyone, come on. Wave. First pa tayo. Wave as we welcome you to a couple. Come on, itaas natin mga panyo. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Isang malakas na hiyawan for Mr. and Mrs. Darsolis. We have here Mark, Danielle, and Catherine! Okay. Stay right there. Isang malakas ang palakpakan ng hiyawan over time! Okay, ito na. Siyempre, meron silang hinandang impromptu dance number for all of us here this afternoon, boys. Okay, this is for instruction by our group. Nasasabay lang kayo sa kanya. Okay, ito na. Ano kaya ito? Position yourselves now, girls and boys, like this. Okay, put your hands. Okay, on the right hand your chi and left hand your seagull. Okay, sabay rin ang groove and bird natin. DJ music, please!
Master fellow gentlemen.
Let's go one more time! Lower, maybe lower! Ayan mo namin sila. Okay, ano naman? It's your time. Everyone, please all rise once again. Tayo po tayo lahat, dancer. And we will now have our amazing mass dance kasama ating pagkasal. Pwede bang itaas na mga kamay natin, both ends? Let's go, shake your hands in the air. Come on, let's all rise. Let's all rise. And shake to the right side. First one tayo. 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, left side. 1, 2. Down shake, right, down shake, left. Kuso like this, come on. Kuso like this. And of course, some pie. Some pie. Sir, some pie. Okay, and move your hand like this. Come on, everybody say 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Let's see, let's go. Let's do it with the music, DJ. Here we go. Shake your hands. Mark, Danielle, and Catherine. Let's go. 1, 2, shake up. That's right, Kuso. Wow. Somebody, come on. Hey. Everybody say it out. 2, 1, 2, 3. One more time. One more time. Shake your hands. Think on. That's right. Wow, Kuso, let's go. May tatas pag energy siya. Ay, ang galing ni Mamo. Come on, somebody. Don't stop. You're dancing. Ito mas malakas, the Perez. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Yes, sumasing sa malakas sa palakpakan na may hiyaw naman siya. At sabay-sabay po din batiin na aling bawang kasal sa malakas. Congratulations. At the count of 3, let's say this. 1, 2, 3, say, congratulations! Thank you so much for taking your seats. Wow. Congratulations, Sir Mark, Danielle, and Ma'am Inday. I love the nickname of Ma'am. Okay, finally, we're here now to celebrate your love together as husband and wife. Kumusta po, Ma'am? Kumusta po kayo?
Kapoy, mali ay.
Okay, Sir Dansoy, kumusta po?
Hangat eh.
Diba? At least you enjoyed, diba? Your grand entrance kasama. Napaka-supportive yung mga family and friends dito ngayon. Ma'am, one word could describe your feeling right now. Imagine this is your wedding day na.
At last.
Diba? Sa wakas. Sa wakas. Sir, one word could describe your feeling right now.
Nindot.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan natin our lovely couple, Sir Dansoy and Ma'am Inday. Napakita mga nickname nila. Now, moving on, ladies and gents, it's part of a celebration, it's part of our party, and this wedding celebration of our newly couple, Mark Danielle and Catherine. They will have the first ever dance. Ito napaka-special po na kanta para sa kanila. And because today marks the beginning of a new life together, from this day forward, this shall be one. This first dance is symbolic of the consummation of their wedding vows, and this dance is the wedding couple's first cooperative engagement and joint endeavor, saying goes, it takes two to tango. Ladies and gentlemen, muli, palakpakan natin Mark Danielle and Catherine. round of applause to a lovely couple with a very wonderful song they requested. Dalawang tao, di ba? Grabe with their flashback photos on screen. Grabe. Sobrang napaka-special moment to para sa couple natin. They're reminiscing the past through those photos we have seen there on screen. Alright, so moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we invite the couple to just stay here, ma'am, sir. Okay, so it's time for one of the most exciting traditions of this evening, the prosperity dance. So I know you guys are familiar with this segment in every wedding celebration, yung paanap or gana-gana, but we have a twist requested by our newly couple. They're really initiating this type of, new style of sharing your blessing. We are adding a playful twist. Welcome to the very own version of Money Heists. Three special heist masters have been assigned to collect your envelopes of blessings for our radiant couple. So as the music plays, we invite everyone to join in the fun. Okay, so you may give your envelopes to the person assigned for the collection. Okay, let our collectors make sure every treasure reaches the couple safely. So this is more than just a heist. It is a show of love, prosperity, and good fortune of their journey together. So let's fill this floor with joy, laughter, and generosity as we celebrate this unforgettable moment of our newlyweds. Okay, here we go. Ready ba mga master heist natin dyan? Okay, here we are. So just prepare your cash gift, your monetary gifts for Marcelino and Catherine. So they will be approaching you later. May mga bibigyan sila toys. Okay, disclaimer lang ha, mga toys ko yung bibigyan for fun.
Ben.
Here we go. Let's welcome our Master Heist.
Mattina mi sono alzato, bella ciao, bella ciao. Mattina mi sono alzato, ero trovato rimbalzo.
Okay, now it's time for our bride. Ma'am, dapat ubusin daw niya. Oo. Yes! Palapakan naman natin sa nag-iwas. Maraming salamat po. Okay, now it's time for our toast. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here... Thank you very much, Sir Ricardo. The best mind for the message, of course, for leading toast with our newlywed couple and friends.
Sila. So, gayang yun mo nga sa Ginoong maabot ang panahon nga sila ang pagkasal na Diyos. O kami nagpasalamat nga naramdagan na Diyos. Ito, sa pagkasal, Inday. Habang message siya sila magtiayon naman yun. Ang kining pagpinyo, dili siya lalim. Umabot yun ang mga pagsulay, mga trial sa marriage. Inday, umabot yun na. So, dili reason o panalitan, di na ito pa lang panahon nga dili gyud mo maatagan o grasya sa Ginoo nga inyong anak. Dili rason nga magbulang mo tungod lang ni anak. Magpamilit yapon nga malipayon ang inyong pagtuyo hantod sa hantod. Okay? Sama sa gingon sa pare nga ang kamatayon na Diyos ang makabuwag sa inyo ha. Sara kong anyo sa inyo ha, nga mabot ang panahon nga naamagin ang mga pagsulay mo na usara gina kong anyo nga isintre din ninyo ang Ginoo sa inyo ang pagtuyo. Isintre din ninyo ang Ginoo sa inyong pagtuyo sama sa among gibuhat sa inyong inahan. Kami 30 navy ng ikanyos na nag-ipon. Mahal na mong hanyo isip pinikanan. Okay, daghang salamat. Di na ako tasog dahil mo di na ko ka-istorya. Ikaw ba? Istorya ka? Okay, salamat kayo. Okay, enjoy ka kanan, enjoy.
Again, thank you so much, sir.
Actually, ako dyan yung singing sa yanin dahil sila panidansor, ilang relationship. Naman yung time na plano, siyempre, plano, mag-expect, sinday,
Ayaw, Jen, makanilak na po, Jen.
maana, ulang ko na po si Dansoy. May naman sinday na ako nga, dahil ka na, si Dansoy, hindi mo naman ako magpapakasal ni. Then, mag-inquire na daw ko nung ko. Sige, dahil, maayo kay, nanatin si Dansoy, anak na stage. Sus kay, pagka-ugma, na siya ko, dahil wala siya ni-follow up si Dansoy. Di ako mura kong nag-uol, kay ako nalipay kay ko, kay gitnan ko niya. Dahil wala pa ni-follow up si Dansoy na ako. Dahil nakuha na nito ang mga coordinator na kailangan na may duwa kay hindi ko kinuko yung dahil sa ako na ninato. Pero sige lang, mag-ampuro kita kay mabot rin siya ng panahon. Pero wala ni karon ilang dagan kay silang pagsulay. Pero ako ampo yung Jiljel o Pinday nga. Jiljel ang tawagan ng Dansoy, amuan yung duwa. Patama dyan ang kuhan, Ginoo ninyong duha ang ampo, simba po. Then, inyong negosyo, more blessings, and sa inyong pamuyo po pohon, basta love kayo kung akong duha. Salamat kayo. Ulit! Ulit tayo.
Thank you, Miss Medica. We're very proud, supportive cousin, and best friend as well of our bride. Thank you so much.
Equal yun, no? Ang posisyon sa managtiayon sa usa ka marang personal kami yun. Na-affirmate excitement sa love. Mabuka pa rin matigulang mo. Kapili na ang mauna. Pinis mo sa usa-usa. Di na rin ang mula.
2, 3, go.